Hi sweet friends, and welcome back to a brand new video. I am so excited to share today's video with you because I am going to do a budget-friendly backyard refresh. I hardly spent any money at all to give my backyard a refresh and make it look brand new, super inviting, and turn it into a complete oasis. So let's go ahead and get right into today's video. Before I get started with all the fun decorating, I have this amazing product that I wanted to share with you all. I have been using this super cool pool cleaner. It is completely cordless and I absolutely love it. This is the Winnie Pool Cleaner and it is completely robotic, and all you have to do is just push this power button located on the bottom, and then you just simply drop it in your pool and you let it do all the cleaning for you. The Winnie Pool Cleaner is the ultimate solution for hassle-free pool maintenance. First off, let's talk about the convenience. The Winnie Pool Cleaner is cordless, giving you all the freedom to clean your pool without being tethered to a power source. No more dealing with tangled cords or limited reach. Don't let its cordless design fool you. This little powerhouse delivers superior performance, leaving your pool sparkling clean in no time. Retrieving your cordless pool cleaner is super simple as well. It comes with this hook and you attach it right to your pole, the same pole that you would use for your net to retrieve debris on the top of your water or a brush. As I'm showing here, you just simply attach it to your pole, reach down into the water and pull your pool cleaner up from the handle. Cleaning the filter is super easy as well. You just simply unclip the cover fasteners and remove the top cover of the cleaner. You take off the filter tray, you rinse off all the dirt and debris, and then you reassemble it. And it's super easy. And look how much stuff this little pool cleaner picked up from the bottom of my pool. If you're ready to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your pool, head on over to the link in my description and get your Winnie Pool Cleaner today. I will have all that information in my description box. Just click the link so you can get yours. You will absolutely love it. Now I'm going to show you my backyard. I'm going to give you some before shots here because I really want you to see how dirty and how much this backyard needed a refresh. I've got the wind that blew all kinds of stuff over here by my chase lounge. My chase lounge is super dirty. All of my patio furniture, including my chairs and my sofa, really needs a good cleaning. We have pine trees that have released a ton of pollen the last month, and just the wind has blown dirt everywhere and it just really needs a good cleaning. First thing that I want to do is get all of that stuff cleaned up that has kind of accumulated behind my furniture and all that stuff. So I'm going to remove everything here on the patio, just kind of move it out of the way so I can take my blower and get rid of all those leaves and pine needles and dirt that has collected behind the chairs and everything. As I was doing my cleaning, I realized that I just had a lot of stuff that I didn't need anymore. I realized that all those extra pillows collect even more dirt and leaves, and I have an old hose holder over here that I don't need anymore. Right now I'm just kind of lifting stuff out of the way, but as I was removing things and all that, I feel like I need to do a little purging as well. Lately, when I do my cleaning of my spaces, I end up getting rid of a lot of stuff, and I am really beginning to realize that less is more, and when you have less to clean, and I am really enjoying the less is more. If you are visiting my channel for the very first time today, I want to quickly say thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you are a returning subscriber, I want to thank you as well. I want you to go ahead and click that like button, leave a comment, just let me know that you're here, and I would just love to hear your thoughts on how you do like a backyard refresh. Maybe you can share some tips with all of us. I would love for you to leave a comment down below. Just let me know what your favorite tip is for sprucing up your backyard using a budget-friendly concept. If you've watched some of my previous videos on my backyard refresh videos, I normally take this sectional and move it all the way over to the grass, and I really do a good clean of all these cushions and all that. Today I'm not going to do that because I recently got a full-time job as well, and I was just too tired, and I wanted to do something that was quick and easy, that was just as good, and I realized that just using this blower to blow off that extra dust and all that stuff was just as good. And later in the video you'll see that I take my hose and just hose everything off and leave it right where it's at, because sometimes we just don't have all of that time and energy to do all that extra stuff. And honestly, it looked just as good as if I took it all apart and did it the way I normally did. For the seat cushions over on my little table, my dining table area, I did take those off and I did hose them. They were super simple, not hard to do at all. I'm actually thinking about purchasing some new ones. These are really flat and they're just not very comfortable. They came with the set, but I know that At Home has really good sales, and I think next time I'm in that area, I'm going to look and see how much they are. But for now, I just used a little bit of Windex and my hose, hosed them off, and they looked brand new. And since my chaise lounge over by my window, it was a cream color and it did look really dirty, it needed a better cleaning than just a quick hose off. So I did the same thing. I used a little bit of Windex. You can use an all-purpose cleaner. I'm sure you can use like Dawn dish soap and a scrubber and do that as well. Let me know if you guys have a simple and easy, affordable way to clean your outdoor cushions. Please leave that in the comments below. I would love to know what you guys do. To get rid of that extra dirt that my blower didn't get rid of, I'm just taking my hose and just hosing all of that stuff away. I'm taking it all the way to the back part of my patio where my flower bed is, and I'm just letting it all go that way. If I had more time and energy, I would definitely take my pressure washer and clean this really, really well. That might be for another day, but I really want to show you that you can make your backyard look really good in less time and with less work. You don't really have to go all out to do like a good clean out here, and I know that some of you just don't have the energy. You can just take a blower, get rid of that extra stuff, and then hose everything down. Now I'm just putting everything back, and then I am going to add a couple very small things that will really kind of make it pretty out here. I thought it would be nice to buy some pretty flowers. Planting flowers in pots and adding color to your backyard always brightens the mood and brightens everything up, and it just makes me smile, quite honestly. I just love being around flowers. So the only thing that I purchased for today's video was a few potted flowers. I found these petunias. They were a pretty pink color, and I thought they would look perfect over here in my planter box, and I wasn't going to add potting soil or any of that stuff. It was just going to drop them in, and they looked just as pretty, super quick, and I love them. And if I want, I can take them out and actually plant them in the ground somewhere if I decide I don't like them over here. But for now, I really love this little tiny pop of color, and normally I use faux flowers over in this area, and I'm kind of getting over the faux flower thing. I know it's kind of hard to keep things alive in Vegas. That's where I live, because it does get super hot in the summertime. So I might decide to take those and plant them in the ground somewhere more in the shade. But then I also got a few other pretty flowers. I got some snapdragons and some other pink flowers, and I'm just going to add to these pots over here by my fire pit. I like to know where a lot of you guys live and what your weather is like this time of year, and what your favorite flower or plant is to plant outside. So go down to the comment section and let me know what your favorite flower or plant to plant during the spring, summertime is outdoors. And also let me know which part of the world you live in and what your weather is like right now. I would just love to know. It only took me about an hour to clean up this backyard, and it cost very little money because the only money that I spent on this was those potted flowers that I planted. And I just did a little bit of a cleanup out here, and it looks so much better, so much more inviting. Now I can have friends over and just kind of sit outside by the fire pit and relax. In the morning, I like to come out here and sit and drink my coffee. But I want to thank you all for watching today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up, say hi in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. and I will see you all in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.